Hi guys, welcome to another anime outline drawing tutorial. This video shows how to draw the most common types of blushes seen in anime and manga with 8 examples in total. The first example is of what can be called the striped blush. To create it, simply draw a series of lines underneath each eye. For a nicer looking drawing, try and keep the overall shape of each blush spot close to that of an oval. The second example is of what can be called a solid blush. To draw it in such a way, first outline an oval underneath each eye. Afterwards, fill the ovals with pink. The third example is of a gradient blush. For such an effect, you want to gradually blend the blush spots underneath each eye going out from the center. Similar to the previous 2 examples, try and keep the spots oval in shape. The fourth blush example is a combination of the first and third. For this style, you want to add the stripes over top of the gradient. Such a blush type is particularly common in anime. This next set of examples is of blush that you tend to see on anime or manga characters that are really flustered or embarrassed. Example 5 is of a wide striped blush. Draw this as a series of lines below the eyes running pretty much across the entire face. Make the blush's overall shape wider in the middle and narrower towards the sides. The sixth example is of a long, solid blush. Draw this as one swatch that again runs across almost the entire face. After defining its overall shape, fill the outline with pink. The seventh example is of a long gradient blush. Draw this as a single strip across the face that dissipates as it goes out. The eighth and final example is of a long combination blush. To create this, combine examples 5 and 7 by drawing a series of lines over top of the gradient. These should run nearly all the way across the face. That's all of the examples. Thank you for watching. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe. For more similar drawing guides, also visit animeoutline.com.